Singing through the storm, Kelly Khumalo's Truth in Harmony. There are voices that entertain, and then there are voices that awaken something deeper in the soul. Yours, Kelly, is the latter. As someone who values the power of storytelling and the healing it can bring, I felt moved to share this message, not just as a reporter, but as someone who sees the sacred work you're doing through your music. This is Macananavister bringing you the truth, the insights, and the real stories that matter straight from the heart of Pungalenja TV. No jinx, no spin, and no compromise. Let's dive into it. Kelly Khumalo is a South African singer, actress, and a television personality born on November 11, 1984 in Phosphorus, Gauteng. She rose to fame in 2005 with a debut album TKO, which earned her accolades in the Afropop music scene. Over the years, she has released several successful albums, including The Voice of Africa in 2020, which was certified gold in South Africa. She's also known for her roles in TV shows like Life with Kelly Khumalo and The Rhythm City. Beyond her music and acting career, Khumalo has been a prominent and sometimes controversial public figure. She has 3 children, including one with the late soccer star Senzo Meyiwa, who was tragically killed in 2014 while visiting a home. Khumalo has been named a person of interest in the ongoing murder trial. Though she has not been formally charged, the case remains a major topic in South African media and public discourse. Kelly is also known for her outspoken views on social issues, including gender roles and parenting. Recently, she stirred debate by calling out absent fathers on social media, which many interpreted as a veiled reference to a former partner, Chub. Kelly Khumalo burst onto the South African music scene in 2005 with her debut album TKO after being discovered at a gospel talent search. Since then, she has released 10 studio albums, including Ichichi 2006, The Past, The Present, and The Future in 2012, who won Best Female Artist at the 2013 Summers, My Truth 2016, Unleashed in 2018, The Voice of Africa in 2020, certified gold, featuring hits like Empini and Espambanweni, From a God to a King in 2023. Her music blends Afropop, gospel, R&B, and she's known for her powerful vocals and emotionally charged performances. She's also a seasoned performer on stage and screen, with appearances in Rhythm City, Zulu Wedding, and her own reality show Life with Kelly Khumalo. The Senzo Meyiwa case, A Lingering Shadow. Senzo Meyiwa, the former Bafana and Orlando Pirates goalkeeper who was shot and killed in 2014 at Khumalo's family home. Kelly Khumalo was in a relationship with Meyiwa and is the mother of one of his children, has been central figure in the ongoing investigation. In 2024 and 2025, lead investigator Brigadier Bongani Gininda named Kelly Khumalo as a person of interest, citing phone records and witnesses' statements. Allegations include that she wiped her phone's memory after the murder and that she may have protected the killer. Some accused individuals have claimed under oath that Kelly Khumalo ordered the hits, though she has not been formally charged. The state has said she will not be called as a witness, further fueling public speculations. Despite the controversy, Kelly has maintained her innocence and has not publicly addressed the case in detail, often citing her faith and resilience. Kelly Khumalo is one of the South Africa's most polarizing celebrities. She's admired for her talent and tenacity, but also scrutinized for her personal life in the Meyiwa case. She's also known for her outspoken nature, often addressing issues like gender-based violence, motherhood, and betrayal in the public eye. Her friendship with Somizi Mhlongo has have been a source of public fascination, with the two often defending each other against backlash. Through her reality show Life with Kelly Khumalo, she offered fans a raw look into her life, including her struggles with fame, family, and faith. Despite the controversies, Khumalo has built a brand around resilience and reinvention. She continues to perform, release music, and engage with fans, often using her platform to speak about healing. Kelly Khumalo's music is a rich fusion of Afropop, gospel, R&B, and traditional influences. Her voice, powerful, emotive, and unmistakable, has earned her a nickname, the Voice of Africa. She's known for pouring raw emotion into her songs, often drawing from personal pain, spiritual reflection, and social commentary. Key music traits: vocal power. Her voice is both technically strong and emotionally resonant, capable of soaring gospel highs and soulful lows. Themes: Her lyrics often explore love, betrayal, faith, resilience, and identity. Notable hits Empini, Espambanweni, Asine, and Gatwalangai are among her most iconic tracks. She has released 10 studio albums including TKO 2005, My True 2016, Unleashed 2018, and The Voice of Africa 2020, which was certified gold. Her music has won her numerous accolades, including the South African Music Award for Best Female Artist and the Metro FM Award for Best Female Album. Kelly Khumalo's public persona is layered as her music. She is known for being outspoken. She doesn't shy away from controversy, whether it's calling out absent fathers or defending her choices in the media. Her life has been marked by personal and public challenges, from abusive relationships to being linked to the Senzomira murder case, but she consistently reclaims her narrative. Faith plays a central role in her life and music. She often speaks about divine purpose and healing spiritually. Polarizing, while many admire her strength and artistry, others criticize her for perceived arrogance or her role in ongoing controversies. Her reality show, Life with Kelly Khumalo, offers an unfiltered look into her world, showcasing her as a mother, artist, a woman navigating fame, grief, and revenge. Kelly Khumalo is not just a singer. She is a storyteller, a survivor, and a symbol of both pain and power in South Africa's cultural landscape. Kelly Khumalo, I hope this message, peace, finds you in peace and purpose. I felt compelled to reach out, but not just as a fan of your music, but as someone who has been deeply moved by the spirit you pour in every note, every lyric, every performance. Your music is more than sound, it's a sanctuary. It carries the weight of life, experiences the ache of truth, and the light of healing. Whether it's the haunting beauty of Mpini, the spiritual depth of Espambanweni, or the raw honesty in Asine, your voice reaches into places that many of us didn't even know needed comfort. You don't just sing, you minister, you testify, you awaken. Please never stop doing what you do. In a world that often feels loud with noise but empty of meaning, your music reminds us that art can still be sacred. You respect your gift, and in doing so, you teach us to respect our own stories, our own pain, and our own power. From where I stand, you are not just the voice of Africa, you are the voice of resilience, of a womanhood of truth. You carry your scars with grace and turn them in songs that help others carry theirs. That is no small thing, that is legacy. As someone who also works in storytelling, I know how heavy it can be to hold peace for others while navigating your own journey, but you do it with such courage and conviction. Remind us that vulnerability is not weakness, it's a form of leadership. So from the bottom of my heart, I thank you. Thank you for your music, for your life, for your fire, for your faith, and for your refusal to be silent. Keep rising, keep singing, keep healing, because we are listening and you are better for it. In the end, Kelly Khumalo is not just a voice, she is a vessel. A vessel of memory, of melody, of meaning. Her journey, marked by triumphs and triumphs, is a reminder that art is not born in comfort but in confrontation with pain, with truth, with the silence that so often surround injustice. Through her music, she has become both witness and warrior, singing not just applause but for healing. She stands as a crossroad of controversy and courage, where few dare to linger, and yet she does so with a voice that refuses to break, a spirit that refuses to bow, and a presence that demands to be felt. Whether history chooses to vindicate or vilify her, one thing remains certain: Kelly Khumalo has already etched her name into the soul of African music, and for those who listen, not just with their ears but with their hearts, her songs will remain long after the headlines fade, because in every note she sings, there is a story, and in every story, a truth waiting to be heard. With deep respect and admiration, this is Macananavister. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and comment on the comment section below. And if you'd like to work with us, please drop the topic that you want us to cover in the next topic. Thank you for tuning in.